Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to retrieve deleted images from Android phone. Use a clear step guide to retrieve deleted images from an Android phone using the Google Photos app. First is to unlock your mobile phone and ensure you're connected to the internet. Open the Google Photos app from your home screen or app drawer. Then at the bottom, tap on the Library or Collections tab. Inside Library, choose Trash or Bin. Browse the items to locate your deleted photos or videos. Tap and hold on the first photo you want to recover until it's selected. Optional, tap on additional images to select more than one. At the bottom, tap Restore option. If prompted, a pop-up will confirm the photo will be restored, for example, to Photos, Albums, and your device's gallery. Tap Restore again to proceed. Then wait a few seconds while the image is restored. Go back to the Photos tab to check if your images are back. Open your phone's gallery app to confirm the recovered photos are available. Reminder, photos stay in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.